Mobility in 21st Century India, guided by the National Urban Transport Policy 2006, has been focusing on moving people rather than vehicles, with thrust on widespread use of public transport integrated with pedestrian facilities and non-motorized transport. Past years have seen an exponential rise in metro rail network, along with a robust city bus system across the country. Additionally, fast emerging modes such as Metro Neo, Metro Light, Regional Rapid Transit System, Water Metro, and indigenously developed information and communication technology and National Common Mobility Card, rendering improved accessibility, has eased the commute for the urban dwellers. Promoting the agenda of Street for All, the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, through its policies and advisories, have paved the way for future of sustainable mobility in the country. With the onset of global COVID-19 pandemic, urban centers came to a halt. The consequent perception of risk associated with crowded systems could have led to a shift towards personal modes, polluted environment and economic losses.
ये क्राइसिस अभूतपूर्व है। अब हमें बचना भी है और आगे बढ़ना भी है।
Taking this into cognizance, the ministry has issued a three-pronged advisory for the cities. The advisory lays its foundation on encouragement and revival of non-motorized transport, resurgence of public transport, and active utilization of technology. During the lockdown, city buses were converted into mobile sample collection units and ambulances, mitigating the large-scale transfer of migrants, and widespread food distribution drives were conducted by various cities. The unlocking stage aided with environment-friendly dedicated cycle tracks, Cycle for Change rallies, and Street for People challenge have occupied a non-negotiable place in our cities. Additionally, standard operating procedures for metro rail services, including alternate seating, thermal scanning and touchless ticketing along with staff sensitization, has proved to be very efficient in regaining the faith of the users.
हर देशवासी अब इस संकल्प से भी भरा हुआ है कि इस आपदा को अवसर में परिवर्तित करना है।
With its distinct advantage of acting early and a strong sense of Atmanirbhar Bharat, India shall lead the way for the world towards sustainable and safe urban transport in near future.